Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to make a game with Flippity, specifically a Flippity virtual breakout game. To get started, you will need to go to flippity.net and select the game type you're wanting to make. I specifically am making a breakout room. Now, after you click on instructions, you'll get this page. You're going to want to click on the yellow highlighted text that says this template. I've already done that, and it will open up in your Google Sheets, and you'll get a little table that looks like this. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is rename this so that I can find it again later. I'm making a escape room for elements of music vocab words. So now that I have it renamed, I'll be able to find it in my docs easier. And here's where you can start typing in your question. The first question I'm going to put in is about melody. So I'm going to type there's my question. Now, if you want to provide a hint, you can do that with an image, a video, or a link. I'm going to do a link. So I've added a little text for my hint, and I've gone to grab a link to a video I want to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the text in between these two brackets. I did not get this G, but I will have to make sure it is gone, otherwise this will not work when we go to use it later. Now that link is in there, and when I play the game, the student should be able to click on hint and see a video. And of course, I'll need to change my answer from the default to what the actual answer is, which is melody. So you repeat this process for every answer and every question that you have. You do not have to include a hint, but you can if you want to. So I'm going to go ahead and include another example. For this hint, I'm actually going to do an image. Now, to do an image, you kind of do the same thing. Didn't mean to go to that square, excuse me. You're going to type two brackets, then you're going to put in your link, but you're going to have to put the word image and a colon followed by your link. You need to make sure that your link ends in a supported file type. I have a JPG, so that works. Now, if they click hint, they will get a picture, and then you'll type your answer, same as you were before, and the answer to that one is B. If we continue down through here, by default, it has a space for 9 answers. You can do more than that, but you do not have to. I'm going to do 11 since that's the number of vocabulary words I have. So I'm going to go ahead and finish filling this in and then talk to you about some other stuff once I've done that. Okay, I'm back. As you can see, I've finished out my spreadsheet. Now, as you can see, I've finished my spreadsheet. I've got all my questions put in along with a hint. Now, there's a couple of little things I want to show you before I end this video off. Now, if you want to add a second answer for anything, all you have to do is click on your answer and then shift and backslash and put in a second answer. Since my hint is this is what it looks like when you cut down a tree or what you yell when you cut down a tree, I'm going to put timber as a correct answer too, just to be generous. And they at least are getting the point. So that's how you would add multiple answers, excuse me. Now, what you're going to do when you're done with your game in order to publish it is you are going to go to File, and you are going to go to Share and then Publish to Web. Otherwise, it will not work. So you can close that now. Then you're going to go to Get Link here and click on this. You can save it, don't worry. Now, this is going to send you to your game. Now, as it says here, the email results feature is not currently available. Hopefully they'll get that fixed. Now, I had 11 questions. I have 11 locks. What you'll do now is your students can play through I am a sequence of musically satisfying tones. What am I? If I want a hint, I can click on this little light bulb. They will have to say yes that they want a hint, and this video will play. I have a little text at the top. Koji Kondo wrote this example using only 2 lines of notes. That would be melody. They can type the answer in and hit the key, and it'll tell them if they're right by playing a sound. I'm the steady pulse of music. What am I? This is the picture hint. I'm a very important part of this game. It has the answer on it. They may not know that, but it's beat. Your students would just progress through like that, and that would be how you make your game. If you have any questions, you can leave those in the comments or email me. Thank you.